Welcome to the strange and fascinating world of quantum mechanics. This branch of physics helps us understand how tiny things like atoms and subatomic particles behave. Let's dive deep into it. Imagine you have a coin. When you flip the coin, it lands in either head or a tail. This is how we understand things in our everyday lives. But in the world of quantum mechanics, things are a bit different. I'm going to flip this coin, but instead of landing on heads or tails, it hovers in the air, spinning with both heads and tails visible at the same time. Similarly, quantum particles, like atoms or electrons, can exist in multiple states at once. This is called quantum superposition. It is a fundamental principle of quantum mechanics that allows particles to exist in multiple states simultaneously until they are observed or measured. The second mysterious thing in quantum mechanics is that the quantum entanglement. I have two toy cars. One is blue and other is red. I am going to connect them with a string. If blue car moves, then red car automatically moves, no matter how far apart those two cars are. Just like the toy cars, in quantum mechanics, particles can be connected in such a way that the state of one particle is directly connected to the state of other, no matter how far apart they are. The state of a particle refers to its properties, such as its position, spin, or energy. This concept is so strange that Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. I hope you have enjoyed the video. For more such videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.